What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release November 25th. Now, first thing first, getting right into the box. As you can see, we got the standard Air Jordan lift top box, all black Nike box with the orange Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Also have an all over print right here with some words. I believe this is one of Jordan's quote about fear. Taking a look at the size of the box, got the elephant print going throughout the whole box, going from a dark gray to a light gray. Taking a look at the label, got the Air Jordan 3 Retro. Color description is Night Stadium, total orange, size 10 we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip the lid up. Got the all white paper with the words going throughout. Peel that back. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Fear Pack. These do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into the shoe. Starting off with that top-down view, all black sock liner, all black insole with the orange Jumpman logo sitting on the top, all black tongue, orange Jumpman. Got the orange accent color right here on the lace eyelets around the ankle, gray eyelets right here in the middle, and the orange accent colors right here on the bottom. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, got the black accent color complementing the multiple shades of gray. Got the nice little leather suede filling uppers, dark gray elephant print on the toe and the heel. Got the hard stucco suede sitting on top of the gray midsole, which goes from a faded medium gray to a dark black with the paint specs right here, sitting on top of the orange air bubble. Going down to the bottom of the shoe, all black outsole, orange accent color right here on the toe with the Jordan brand sitting on the bottom. Now going around to the heel of the shoe, orange Jumpman logo sitting on top of the orange air. Taking a look at the medial side, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Now taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Fear Pack. If you are interested in this pair, I do have pairs shipping out early on fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.